Here I have SONY Xperia XA2 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer, let's use the keypad, and here let's input the following secret code. So let's use *#06#. As you can see, the IMEI number just pops up, so this is the simplest way to check your IMEI number. As you can see here, you've got two slots for your SIM card, so you've got two IMEI numbers. Tap OK to close this window. Now let me show you how to get access to IMEI and serial number by using the settings. Tap apps icon right here. Find and select the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Here you need to scroll down again and select about phone. So from the following options, let's choose status right here. And here you can scroll down and find serial number. You can also read the Wi-Fi MAC address, for example. And if you would like to read the IMEI info, let's choose IMEI information, and here you've got your IMEI numbers. So you may also go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.